Dear students, let's learn the fourth step of agricultural practices, that is irrigation. We all know that water is essential for all living organisms. So water is important for plants also. Then how we get the water? Through rain. Yes, rain is the main source of water. But farmers cannot completely depend on the rain because sometimes rain will be less, sometimes rain will be more. So the different source of water helps the farmer to grow the sufficient crop with good yield. If we completely depend on the rain, sometimes the farmer may not get good yield because of the lack of rainfall. So the different source of water like river, pond, lake, canal, wells, tube wells, all these are the different source of water which are helpful for the growth of crop. Let's see why water is essential for plants. See, in dry condition, seeds will not germinate. So, water is essential for the germination of seeds. And water is essential for the growth and development of different parts of plants, like flowers, fruits, and seeds of the plant. And minerals which are present in the soil get absorbed by the plant. So, it requires a medium. So, water acts as a medium where minerals and fertilizers are dissolved in the water and is absorbed by the plant. Then water protects the crop from frost. See, especially in very cold region when the temperature falls freezing, that is 0 degree or below that, a thin layer of solid surfaces the plant. To avoid this, water sprinkler has set which will frequently fall on the water to maintain the temperature. So water protects the plant frost. Water protects the crop from hot air currents. As we all know, the transpiration process occurs in the plant. So this cools the plant surface in hot summer. See, to maintain the moisture of the soil for the healthy growth of field, we have to water regularly to the field. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Irrigation means supply of water to crops at different intervals. See, the time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, season to season, soil to soil. Means the requirement of water will be vary from crop to crop. Suppose paddy requires more water and wheat requires less water. See, in rainy season, it is not required to supply the water because rainwater is sufficient for plants. But in summer, the rate of evaporation will be more from the soil and the leaves. So sometimes crop will be dried up and died also. So due to lack of proper irrigation, we may not get a good yield in summer. So frequently we have to supply the water to plants in summer season. Even water holding capacity of soil will be vary from soil to soil. See, some of the source of irrigation which are helpful in growing the crops. For example, wells, tube wells, lake, river, pond, canals, dams, streams. These are the different source of irrigation which are helpful in growing the crops.